Let's go through cell cycle physiology in a nursing-focused, clear, and organized way. Cell cycle physiology for nursing students. Introduction. The cell cycle is the series of steps a cell goes through to grow, duplicate its DNA, and divide into two daughter cells. It's vital for growth, healing, and tissue maintenance. In nursing, understanding the cell cycle helps explain wound healing, cancer development, tissue regeneration, and chemotherapy effects. Hash phases of the cell cycle. The cell cycle has two main stages. 1. Interphase, where the cell grows and prepares. 2. M phase, mitotic phase, where the cell divides. 1. Interphase, major preparation stage. 90% of the cycle time happens here. Subdivided into A G1 phase, gap 1, cell grows. Synthesizes proteins and organelles. Prepares for DNA replication. Nursing note, cells sensitive to injury during rapid growth, e.g. radiation therapy. B S phase synthesis. DNA is replicated, copied. Each chromosome now has two sister chromatids. Nursing note, some chemotherapies target DNA synthesis. C G2 phase, gap 2. Final preparations for division. Synthesizes enzymes needed for mitosis. Checks for DNA errors. 2. M phase, mitotic phase, actual cell division occurs. Two processes. A mitosis, nuclear division. 4 stages. Prophase, chromosomes condense, spindle fibers form. Metaphase, chromosomes align at the center, metaphase plate. Anaphase, sister chromatids separate to opposite sides. Telophase, new nuclei form around chromosomes. B. Cytokinesis, cytoplasm division. Final split into two identical daughter cells. Cell cycle checkpoints, very important. Checks cell size, nutrients, DNA damage. G2 checkpoint ensures DNA is copied correctly. M checkpoint confirms chromosomes are attached properly before separation. Nursing relevance. When checkpoints fail, uncontrolled growth, cancer. Regulation of the cell cycle. Cyclins and cyclin-dependent kinases, CDKs, are proteins that control progression. Growth factors, e.g. platelet-derived growth factor, stimulate cells to divide, important in wound healing. Tumor suppressor genes, e.g. P53, stop the cycle if there's DNA damage. Clinical relevance for nurses, condition, cell cycle connection, nursing importance. Cancer, loss of cell cycle control, early detection, patient education on screening, wound healing, controlled cell proliferation, monitor healing, prevent infection. Chemotherapy, targets dividing cells, manage side effects like hair loss, mucositis. Radiation therapy, damages DNA of fast-dividing cells. Skincare education, fatigue management, tissue regeneration, stimulates cell division, post-surgery care, rehabilitation. Summary points. Cell cycle equals grow, prepare, divide. Errors in the cell cycle can cause cancer. Nurses play a role in observing signs of poor healing or uncontrolled cell growth. Treatment modalities. Chemo, radiation often targets specific stages of the cycle. Thank you. Have a nice day.